This is called the lower quarter test. This is how we test to see if your hip rotation is enough for a golf swing, if it might be causing you back pain, or if it might be an issue on why you're losing distance, or if it may be coming from a different part of your body. So what we're going to do, you need a 6 iron, a 7 iron, and a 5 iron. The 6 iron is the most important of these clubs. Place your 6 iron on the ground, upside down, and what you are going to do is we're going to use this angle of the 6 iron to set up our whole little contraption here. Okay, so I need this lie angle of that 6 iron on both sides. So what I'm going to do is take one of my other irons, I'm going to put it right up against the bottom of my 6, so it's at the same angle that it's lying on the ground. What I'm going to do from here is I'm going to take that same 6 iron, I'm going to flip it to the other side, I'm going to take my other club and again align it on that same angle of my 6 iron. From here, the 6 iron is just going to sit on the top to give me a little room. Okay, so I should have both of my clubs facing away from each other, and I'm going to use this to see if I can rotate my hips enough. So we are going to start with my left foot. So right foot is going to put back. It can be used as a kickstand, but there should never be weight on that right foot. From here, I'm going to take a similar posture to my golf posture. The first test, I'm going to rotate towards my back foot as far as I can. My goal is for the angle of my hips to at least match that club. So I'm there, I get a check mark. Second, I'm going to go the opposite direction with my left foot. So left foot's going to stay on the ground. Again, this is just for a little bit of balance. And I'm going to rotate towards that left foot. And again, I'm trying to see, can my hips match the angle of that club? This one's a little closer for me, a little bit tougher for me to get back. Next, I move on to my right leg. So right leg stays on the ground, balance with my left. I'm going to rotate first towards my left. I can match that club. I have no problems there. Scoot on over to the other side. Back leg for balance. Now I'm going to rotate towards my right leg. Can my hips match that club? Again, I'm pretty close. I have a little bit of an angle that's close to this, but I would pass that test. So if either of these sides is a struggle, your hips might be the reason that your back is bothering you, or the reason that you're losing distance because you can't rotate enough either in the backswing or in the downswing.